Okay, we're going to put a full piece of siding up.
This is primed here.
Yep, they're both big.
These are fulls. Ryan's going to line up his seam. He's good enough to where he can just do a visual gap. Make sure with his finger on the bottom looks good.
Huh?
Yep.
Put one there. Good. Check for shiners. A couple shiners here and there. A little tap. That's it. Okay, here we're doing a connection seam. We have two factory edges. Pull it out. This has primer on the edge. It's not a cut edge. So we're going to put two together. We're going to use a speed square for our gap, and we're going to line up the bottom of the siding with our finger or with our eye. We're going to gap it with our speed square. Go ahead and push it tight. Okay, make sure the top is where it needs to be with the line. Make sure it's pretty. And we're going to tell each other we're good.
How's this line look in the middle?
You're good down there. That line's probably got a belly in it.
I'm set.
We're good. Go ahead, nail it. And then we're going to walk it on down.